I'm going to be using some fresh thyme from here. And some fresh rosemary. And look at how grown my mint leaves are at the moment. It's so bushy. Just washed a handful of this, and I'm just going to put that in. I also have all-purpose seasoning, paprika, garlic powder, suya pepper, ginger powder, and some salt. I'll also add some Sister Maggie. I like to call her Sister Maggie. Just a dash of that and some vegetable oil. I'll just mix that properly and then I'll be back. This is how it's looking now. It looks so yummy already. Like I can eat it right now, but it needs to be cooked. Okay. I'll just leave it to sit for an hour. I'm going to line this. And then put a basket like this. Okay, so the excess oil can drain out. Now the turkey wings are properly marinated. I left them for an hour, so I'm just going to place them in the basket like so. And I'm just going to air fry it. Because I haven't boiled it, I'm going to cover it with the parchment paper. I'll just wash my hands. And dry my hands. And then I'll be able to use the parchment paper. Because I'm going to be air frying and I don't want it to burn. just going to air fry that for 200 degrees for 20 minutes. It's been 10 minutes now. And this is how it's looking. It smells absolutely divine. I'll just leave it to do its thing for another 7 minutes.